So, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. So, today, I will discuss the cognitive development of infants and toddlers. So, cognitive development, it refers to how children think, explore, and figure things out. So, it involves memory, problem solving, language, attention, and understanding the world. So, one of the main theories that explain this stage is from Jean Piaget in his book The Origins of Intelligence. So, origins of intelligence. So, it means how intelligence begins and develop in babies and young children. So, Piaget explained that intelligence does not suddenly appear. So, hindi ibig sabihin na pag ipinanganak yung bata is matalino agad siya. So, sabi ni Piaget, it develops gradually from birth. So, nade-develop siya from birth. So, babies learn through action and experience. So, mas natututo yung bata through their action and experiences, not just by being taught. So, in a simple word, intelligence, it's about how thinking and understanding start in babies and develop step by step as they grow. So, now we have the sensory motor stage, which is 0 to 2 years. So, in this stage, infants learn through senses and motor action. So, mas natututo yung mga infants, through their motor actions, and learning happens through touching, seeing, hearing, and moving. So, sensory-motor stage have sub-stages. First, we have the reflexes, which is 0 to 1 month. So, at this stage, newborns rely on inborn reflexes such as sucking, grasping, and looking. So, these reflexes, it helps them to survive and interact with their environment. So, babies does not yet think intentionally, so their actions are automatic responses to stimuli. So, second, we have the primary circular reactions, which is 1 to 4 months. So, at this stage naman, infants begin to repeat action that involves their own body. So, it because they find them pleasurable. So, for example, a baby may suck their thumb repeatedly. So, these actions are called circular because they are repeated over and over. So, third is the secondary circular reactions, which is 4 to 8 months. So, at this stage naman, baby start to focus on the external environment. So, they repeat actions that produce interesting effects outside their bodies. So, such as shaking a toy to make noise. So, in this stage, they begin to show interest in objects. So, number 4 is the coordination of reactions. So, 8 to 12 months. So, infants become more goal-directed. So, they can combine different action to achieve a purpose. So, for example, a baby may move a pillow to reach a toy. So, this stage shows the beginning of intentional behavior and problem solving. So, next is tertiary circular reactions, 12 months to 18 months. So, toddlers begin experimenting with new behavior to see what will happen. So, they explore different ways of doing things like dropping objects from different heights. So, this stage like a little scientist. So, it testing the world around them. So, Last is the mental representation. So 18 months to 24 months. So at this stage, children develop the ability to think about objects. So and even an event mentally without direct action. So this include memory, imagination, and problem solving. So they can initiate actions they have seen before and begin to use symbol which prepare them for language development. So in short, these stages show how babies gradually develop intelligence by exploring, repeating actions, and learning from their experiences. So next, we have the object permanence. So a major achievement in this stage, understanding that objects continue to exist even when out of sight. So in object permanence, it is the understanding that things still exist even when you cannot see them. So object permanence, it is the ability of a baby to understand that objects still exist even when they are out of sight. So now let's proceed to the toddler cognitive development, 1 to 3 years. So development of a symbolic thinking, rapid language growth, beginning of pretend play. So pre-operational stage, 7 to 2 years. So this is the second stage of cognitive development according to Piaget in the origins of intelligence in children. So in this stage, children begin to think using words, images, and symbols, but their thinking is still not logical. So let's proceed to role of environment by Berg 2022. So it is responsive caregiving supports brain development and play, language exposure, and social interactions that enhance thinking skills. So based on infants and children, the environment plays a very important role in child's cognitive development. So Burke explains that a child's thinking and learning improve through interaction with their surrounding and people. So we have the responsive caregiving. So when parents respond to a baby's need, it helps the baby feel secure and ready to learn. We have also the stimulation and play. So the toys, games, and activities help the babies explore and think. So language exposure, talking, reading, and singing help develop language and thinking skills. So the more words a child hears, the faster they learn. Also the social interaction. So interaction with parents and the others teaches communication and understanding. So and last, the safe and supportive environment. So a safe place allows children to explore freely and learn from experiences. So according to Berg, the environment plays a key role in cognitive development by providing responsive care, stimulation, language exposure, and social interactions that help children learn and develop thinking skills. So, in conclusion, intelligence develops gradually from birth. So, infants and toddlers learn through actions and experiences. So, early support is crucial for healthy cognitive development. That would be all. Thank you.